Me and 3 of my deaf friends went to Spain. As a group, we were discussing what we should do. We decided we were going to drive up the mountain. At the top, they had all sorts of barbecues, delicious chicken. It would be fantastic. We all agreed to go, and we had 2 cars. 4 in each car. We began driving up the windy roads, following the mountain round and round, till eventually we reached the peak. When we arrived, everyone got out of the car. But there was one deaf guy still asleep. We shook the car from side to side, thinking it was hilarious, and he slowly woke up. We watched him stick his arm out the window and feel for the door handle. He carried on struggling. We were all just watching him. He struggled a bit more, still trying to find the handle. And then eventually he poked one of his legs through. We didn't really understand what was going on, to be honest, but we carried on watching anyway, quite intrigued by what he was doing. Slowly his body began to move more and more through the window, still feeling for the door handle. And eventually out he came. He looked quite pleased with himself, to be honest. "What the hell were you doing?" we all asked. "It's a 2-door car." He said, "No, of course it's not, it's 4-door. It was definitely 2-door. Stupid man.